Akwụkwọ na-asọ ụsọ, ọ na-afịarụ na mmụta. Onye were nkasi obi, ọ ga-amụta akwụkwọ. Ma ọ bụrụ na nne gị na nna gị nwee ego, ma ọ bụrụ na nne gị na nna gị nwee ego. Driver wait for morning, starting morning. Hello guys, yes, today yet another video, and we are going to be learning an Igbo word and Igbo phrase today, and it's clothes. That cloth you are putting on, we're going to learn it today. I'm going to learn 10 sentences alongside this cloth that you use most often while communicating. This will help you in your Igbo vocabulary, making sentences in Igbo. And without further ado, let's dive into the video, because we're not here to waste time. We're not here to waste time, okay? And number one here is AKWA amaka. AKWA amaka. AKWA amaka means your clothes is beautiful. Your clothes is beautiful. Your clothes is beautiful. Akwa ndi amaka. Akwa ndi amaka. These clothes are beautiful. You went to the market to buy clothes. You went to the boutique. You went to the mall to shop clothes. Of course, there are so many clothes in the shop you went into, right? So you just come into the shop and you have several clothes there, and you're like, Akwa ndi amaka. These clothes are beautiful. Akwa ndi ruru unyi. Akwa ndị a ruru unyi. Akwa ndị a ruru unyi. These clothes are dirty. These clothes are dirty. Akwa ndị a gara ọnụ. Akwa ndị a gara ọnụ. Akwa ndị a gara ọnụ. These clothes are costly. These clothes are costly. Akwa ndị a ebuka. Akwa ndị a ebuka. These clothes are big. These clothes are big. If you've watched other of my videos, you're going to be familiar with a little bit of sentence I'm making now. This is to show you that we use these sentences very often, so learning it will do you a very real good deal. Do you understand? Let's continue. Akwa ndị a epeka. Akwa ndị a epeka. Or you say akwa ndị a pere mpe. These clothes are small. Guys, please, if you've watched to this part, to this point, please subscribe to this channel, or please share this video as well, so we can grow this beautiful family. Thank you. Kwaram akwa ndị a. 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 Make these clothes for me. Make these clothes for me. Kwaram akwa ndị a. Ka m gaa gote akwa ọhụrụ. Ka m gaa gote akwa ọhụrụ. Or you can say, ka m gaa zụta akwa ọhụrụ. Ka m gaa zụta akwa ọhụrụ. Let me go and buy new clothes. Ka m gaa sụchaa akwa m. 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 Let me go and wash my clothes. Let me go and wash my clothes. Ka m gaa sụchaa akwa m. Let me go and wash my clothes. Akwa ndị a dị ọtụtụ. 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 These clothes are much. These clothes are much. There are too many. Akwa ndị a jọrọ njọ. 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 These clothes are ugly. These clothes are ugly. Achọrọ m akwa mmemme nka. Achọrọ m akwa mmemme. Achọrọ m akwa mmemme. Achọrọ m akwa mmemme. Achọrọ m akwa mmemme. I want the red clothes. I want the red clothes. So you see, Igbo is very simple. Thank you guys for watching to this point. If not subscribed yet, please consider doing so. Share this video as well, give it a like as well. As you share, it gets to a wider range of people, and they will join this our community, because I post a video every day. Yes, I do it. Difficult, right? Yes, I do it because I felt if I've chosen to do this, then I have to be active, because people are waiting to watch my video. Yes, thank you guys for watching, and please, I'll see you in my next video. Please wait for my next video tomorrow again around 5 p.m. I'll be dropping another video. Thank you for watching, and do have a lovely day. Bye.